Hey guys, it's just me. Charlotte and I had taken a break because we had a massive falling out. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to continue Garage Girls. We had a massive fight and she was talking all this shit about me. I was talking so much shit about her to everybody and you know, it just didn't work out. You know, I think the fame got to her head and we just couldn't continue this friendship.
Wait, what the Anyway, we're back because we've been busy. Since we live so far away, it's hard to just shoot like a little video. We gotta set like a Saturday aside.
But it's okay, we're here.
We're not Garage Girl anymore.
Yeah, we're Garage Girls.
Still.
Yeah. Today we are painting the brake calipers on Charlotte's IS200 and we decided to paint it black and we're gonna try put some glitter in it and see how it goes.
We'll see how it looks. And I don't care if it looks like shit. Tell you why? Because it's a shit car. Cheap car.
Hey.
Shit car. No, I do love this car, but why are you in the driver's seat?
Doesn't matter.
Anyway, let's do that. No judging how it turns out. We'll come back. We'll do more videos. Give us ideas, please. Because
Yes.
we want to do interior, we want to do other things, but things take time and money. I ain't got no money.
Neither.
Okay, bye.
So first Charlotte and I headed to Super Cheap Auto because she needed a new bulb for her broken tail light and we needed some paint.
This one's opening. It was already open, guys. Oh look, is that the same thing? Yes, that's the same.
Yes, let's go to the paint section. Today, Ruby is here.
This is not Cristal.
Okay, heat resistant. Oh, it was like this brand, wasn't it? Oh, glitter varnish.
Ooh. But is it high heat? No.
No.
I need high heat.
It was this brand I saw. Oh, brake caliper paint.
Yeah, what? Oh,
Okay. Show the hole.
Hey. What the hell is that thing?
What? What? It's smaller than a freaking Miata.
Hello.
Hello.
We're back. We're going to be painting my brake calipers because they're currently gold. I don't know who chose gold. Wasn't me. But we're going to do black and we're going to do sparkly black because we want like something different. I know people are going to be like, oh my god, car girls, but look, we're going to do black heat resistant and then we're going to just tap this on. So if it comes off, we don't care
Yeah.
because I don't actually care.
So we have our brake caliper black gloss paint, heat resistant. And then we have some glitter that we're gonna blow on. And all this sandpaper. So first we just jacked up the car to take off the wheels to get access to the brake calipers.
Oh my god. Wait, I don't have any tread.
Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, it's because you're a damn stupid angle kit. Dude, are you an idiot?
What happened, Drifter? Tell us.
Fucking lost it. Now what we're gonna do? I'm fucked now.
Oh, fuck.
One wet drive and you're done.
Oh, that's why I spin out a lot. Here they are. We're not gonna take them off because we don't care that much. We're just gonna paint what you can see because who cares? So we're just gonna like tape it all out because I don't care.
Yeah, only like the front part, fuck the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the rears.
And then the rears. The rears are babies.
Oh, the rears are
They're
babies.
so little.
And then we start masking off the car with a bunch of plastic and sheets and masking tape and whatsoever. Just to make sure we don't get paint on anything else besides the calipers. And then we use some brake cleaner to start cleaning the calipers, just to get any dirt or grime off that's going to affect the paint. And then we can start sanding any excess gold paint off, just to give it a bit of a smooth surface so when we apply the paint there's not that much texture.
I hate seeing those videos. Oh, what are you doing?
I put my whole hand in your exhaust.
Are you fisting?
I did fist him.
I see those videos on TikTok of those people painting their brakes and they just like don't mask anything off.
Yeah.
Overspray.
Just full spray.
Yeah.
I've seen some people do that with their badges as well.
Yeah. Guys, have some respect. Oh my god. Sorry, Hope. I mean, it's a fucking shitter, but oi, oi. So
The wind is blowing it this way.
Okay, go. Bitch, spray further away. See how it's going all wrinkly? Girl!
What do you mean? It just needs another coat.
Okay. Throw it away, ho. What are you doing? You made me spray it so far away. Right? We'll do one more coat. Because then at least if it chips off, it's not chipping off literally the thinnest coat ever. Okay, look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. Alright?
Can I blow into the camera?
It's gonna get all dusty. Okay, I'll do one normal coat. You want to blow?
What do you mean by that?
Okay, you have to film.
I'm gonna come.
Wait. Yeah, okay. Wait, you gotta go from underneath as well. Wait. Wow.
Wait, I gotta get underneath.
Wait, she's beautiful.
Oh my god, it's so
Get up there! You missed a little bit here. I just powder coated it technically, right? Not really. It's so full on the under half. Wait, you gotta do a bit more. My brother's not gonna be in love with it. Nah, you can't even tell. Yeah, there you go. Go, go!
This is so ASMR.
Ah, get in there! Bro! How much did you just throw? Okay, I think that's good.
Sheesh! Look at that sheesh!
She's beautiful.
Damn.
Wait. Bro, wait. Wait,
I'm
1
waiting.
minute. I don't care how this looks anymore. There you go. Oh, that's lit, yeah.
Like that
Nah,
one?
do more. You've been eating something.
Oh my god!
Tasty meal. Was it yummy?
Oh my god.
You filming it? Yeah, good.
That L right there, L stand for loser. That's what you see when you behind me, cause you ain't in the Lexus. You know what your girl think when she sees the L on that wheel? Lay me down.
Thanks for watching, guys.
If you have any ideas for things that we can post, let us know. I know we haven't. Sorry we've been a while. It's just because we've been busy. Yeah, been busy, have some difficulties with cars and stuff. So any ideas, let us know. We want to do interior. So we want to do the interior on this car, like make it black. But that's like down the line. If anyone has any ideas for the MR2 or for any other car, the Z, I don't know. Tell us, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Just didn't work out. I think the fame got to her head. I think the fame got to her head.
I'm gonna fucking. Can I touch the dongle and like turn it?